You either have the creativity, the ideas, the someday dreams, or you just want a higher profit margin. Regardless, you don't have time. You don't want to figure out the factories, the samples. You don't want to handle negotiations. You definitely do not want another course. You don't want to have to learn. You just want it done right. You want it done on time so that you can focus on growing your brand. For those of you who don't know, my name is Marissa Mae Sayers. I'm known as the sourcing queen, and I help entrepreneurs and influencers turn their product ideas into a reality. This ranges from subscription box owners who've been able to add 30K a month to their revenue streams to multiple founders landing on the Inc. 5000 list. I know the factories, the process, and how to save you thousands or even millions while getting it done faster. Basically, my clients come to me with a dream and then I handle the rest. I find the manufacturers, I handle the overseas details, I handle the production, the samples, etc. I make sure that the final products reflect your brand perfectly. If you can explain it, I can help you create it. So if this sounds like you, and again, it could be ideas and dreams, or it could just be you want to increase your profit margins, then let's chat. Click the link to book a call and let's see if we're a good fit to work together. Not horrible. Running from the top.